What's going on, guys? Nikki, and we are back again with another unboxing. This time we have the May MotoDLVRD box. This one's very special. We got a very limited release from one of our favorite companies in here. So I won't keep you guys waiting. Let's dive into this bad boy. All right, let's dive into this thing. All right, first off, got a nice little MotoDLVRD lanyard here. Little metal buckle on there, a little plastic, I guess metal clasp plastic buckle. Nice little lanyard to throw your keys on. A few stickers and goodies here. This first one up here is from Slick Products. This is actually a Gear Fresh. We did two different products. We did their Gear Fresh, which is meant to spray onto your gear when it's stanky, dirty, gross. This can be sprayed on right before you throw it into the wash so it doesn't have any of that leftover smell from you sweating all day in the hot heat. So we featured this Gear Fresh as well as a cleaner and degreaser. Slick Products is co-owned by Ricky Carmichael, ex-pro. I'm sure you guys are familiar with him. They make some great products. Keep an eye out. We will definitely be featuring more of their stuff in future boxes, but I'm excited to try out this Gear Fresh. I haven't tried it yet, but we all know how your gear smells after a long day at the track, so this is gonna be some useful stuff. Second up, one of our favorite companies, Grip Clean. This is the best hand soap on the market. That orange stuff you've been using tears up your hands, strips it of a lot of the essential oils that are actually in your skin. So this stuff right here, Grip Clean, it's actually made from dirt, a clay mixture that they have. It works fantastic. You can take off paint. I don't know if you guys have checked out their TikTok. They've got examples of all kinds of stuff that you can take off with this stuff. So this is going to be their 8-ounce. This will actually last you quite a long time. So that's our second guy in there. Next up, the goggles from FMF. These are the newest FMF Vision. They just launched this in collaboration with 100%, another one of the companies that we work with. We featured 6 different colors inside. So these are the actual red. They've got kind of a cool flame design on the back. And we've got quite a few other colors that we featured, depending on who you were. You got a different color, kind of chosen at random. But these are great essential goggles. I mean, just great quality. I mean, obviously they're made by 100%, so you know you're getting something great. Very excited to feature these guys. That's it for this month, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. If you haven't signed up yet, get signed up. Use the code FIRST10, F-I-R-S-T, and the number 10 to get 10% off your first month. Try it out. You don't have to commit to the 3 or 6 month. You can just get yourself a good deal on your first month, see how you like it. So that's it for us today, guys. Check out the rest of our videos on our channel. Until next time, peace.